Hello, welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. My name is Mr. Geleott, and I'm going to be your son or daughter's social studies and science teacher for the year, as well as reading interventionist, and also math interventionist. Some of the books that we'll be using, obviously, I want to show you so that you're kind of familiar with them. There's physical science and earth science and also life science. We're going to be learning those first and fourth quarters. So the first 9 weeks and the last 9 weeks we'll have science. And then for the second and third 9 weeks, we're going to go into our social studies. And that is over U.S. history. So I am actually going to be rotating this year. Last year, the kids came to me. I saw all the fifth graders. This year, we're going to be going, so your child's homeroom, if you have me, your kids are going to stay in that child's homeroom. So if they start out the day with Mrs. Stepp, they're going to stay in that classroom. The teachers are actually going to move around this year. Okay, so that's a little bit different from last year. What you need to make sure, then I've told the kids, parents, every single year, is if for some reason we do not give homework for the evening, always just have them read. 20 minutes a night is what we prefer you try to have them do. If they can read 5 minutes, great. If they can read 10 minutes, great. But 20 minutes supposedly is known to really improve their reading skills. They're going to see 1.8 million words if they read 20 minutes a night. And usually they're going to score a lot higher on percentile test scores. So you can try to get them to read 20 minutes a night, and that would be awesome. I'm just kind of going around my room. Those are for the students that are going to be in my homeroom throughout the year. We're going to eat lunch in here. It's pretty much they're all going to be in here. And as you can see, the class is pretty separated. There's 6 feet in between each one. So I'm definitely going to enforce that when I go to the other classrooms as well. And their safety is our first priority. So I'm looking forward to this school year. I think it's going to be awesome. Don't know what what's going to happen with the virus, but anyway, we're going to do our best. If there is e-learning, the first day, obviously, I'm going to probably get them set up in Google Classroom just in case something does happen. And so there are going to be this Reach for the Stars book that also is their agenda. In the past, I haven't really had them filled it out all that much, but I think we get in a routine where you kind of know what is expected. So anytime you have a question or concern, please just email me. It's pgeleott@nwhite.k12.in.us. Or you can reach me through the school's phone, obviously. So with that said, I want to end with some of my classroom expectations, and that is us. One of the things that we expect this year. Our theme throughout the whole year is color the world with kindness. So obviously respect each other, be open to new ideas, say please and thank you, use kind words, listen when others talk, clean up and help out, share with others, take risks, make mistakes, because you learn more from your mistakes than you do doing well all the time. Follow directions and always do your best. So that is what's going to happen this school year. We're going to be learning a lot of science, social studies, Hopefully we can get through the year without a lot of e-learning. But nice to meet you. And I will hopefully contact you soon. Bye.